Good evening, friends. This is a late night video because I can see that there's lots of advice going around that we have made a double top. Now, that is the most foolish thing to say about a market which has rocketed up 600 points from the week's low. This is your candle. I don't know if you can see it properly. Let me just clean up these trend lines. Um, Now, I think now it is clear. This is one of the most bullish candles. Okay. The market basically recovered in 3 days, the entire downside of Monday. And once we get past this zone of 13,750, 800, basically a theoretical way of looking at life is that we will at least add on what we had lost till the intraday lows. Intraday lows were about 13,130 thereabouts. So you can say about 600 points you can easily add to 13,800. So far, there does not seem to be any weakness. And I think that from next week onwards, given this strong closing, I think the market will make a further move higher. Yes, Bank Nifty is a bit of a problem, but there is no way you can call this a double top. Some bears, they just want to, if the market fell, see, the market has fallen. If the market goes up, no, it's double top. This is about the money printing machine. Your support, resistance, etc., does not work here. So if markets are going up, you cannot stand in the way. You cannot say it is not justified. I think we will cross into new high territory as soon as next week, because chances are that the bullish move continues on the upside. And bears have had their reasons and their time in the market, but for how long? One bearish day and it's cleaned out 3 days later. So do not buy into this, double top humbug. IT sector is extremely strong. Banks are at about 30,500. So you are hardly 500 points or less from recent highs. So I think, we are going to break on the upside. Reliance has started to participate. So where on earth is weakness? Because for half an hour the market came off 20 points. Do not look at that. And the other thing I want to talk about, for most people, take a view on the market, which means take a view for next 3 sessions. And you cannot say that it's not possible to take that view. A market is in an uptrend. So each time it declines, you take positions instead of being a very intraday type of animal. Just buy, one strike out of money calls, and you will see how well they work, because today's rally was not expected by any intraday trader. But if you keep the faith, you know the direction of the money, I think that is about what you need to be able to win in this market. Don't go with theories that FIIs have gone to celebrate Christmas. If they had gone to celebrate Christmas, why did we go up? So this is all rubbish that is spoken of on YouTube. I don't believe it. You shouldn't believe it. On options, particularly keep this in mind, you need to have two sides. One side you are confident, which is should be the bull side. Okay. Try to play in the money options on the bull side and try to play out of money on the bear side. Okay. So use bigger volume on the bull side, smaller volume on the bear side. So that way you will always lose less when you are against the trend, but you will make more when you are with the trend. So this is very important in terms of money management, that when your bullish side works out, you're almost trading a futures contract. So even if you have to bet on the other side, don't bet equally on both sides. Okay. So this is the take I have on this week's price action. It is extremely bullish. FIIs have now started to buy above 1000 crores, 1200 crores thereabouts, and they are going to likely to continue to buy next week. Okay. If I am running an office and I am on a holiday, I can call and trade. Okay. The office does not shut down. I can give my orders, I can give my prices and then go on holiday. So this stupidity about, FIIs are off. They are not. They have bought 1200 crores worth of product. So the reason for this video is that I am extremely enraged about these theories. If you like the video, share, subscribe, and like. And for our join button services, silver, diamond, gold, copper, contact WhatsApp 98710 and uh, email on ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com. Let's talk about some of the stocks we did today in our join button services. Now look at this baby, Reliance. Okay. Again, this is a nice bottoming out pattern that it's making. And if we are able to get past this 2020 thereabouts, I think Reliance could be another leader of this bull market. Take a look at Infosys. Again, very strong chart. TCS, very, very strong chart. Okay. So that way, we also did Kotak and Reliance were the two day trading calls we had today. Kotak did extremely well. So if you know what sector has the mojo on a given day, go with that sector. Bank Nifty, we had said, would see short covering above 30,000. It opened above 30,000 and started to rocket. Bank Nifty, yes, did not close at the highest points, but it hasn't closed too poorly. Let's look at what the weekly on Bank Nifty is doing. Okay, all of these trend lines, etc. You get all these annotated charts on the copper button. Okay, let's have a look at the weekly. Now look at this weekly Bank Nifty bar. You think this is negative? I don't think so. Bank Nifty is going to get continuation and possibly we'll get to 31,000 fairly soon. Do not think that Bank Nifty is going down. Okay, till the market is up, Bank Nifty will find reasons to go up. Yes, there is a problem with HDFC Bank, but not that it will uh, drag the bank nifty lower. Yes, it can keep it sideways. Today's calls, BTST, we took home Axis Bank. You can see this big red bar. This red bar has been cleaned out by these three green bars. So as far as I am concerned, what basically the market has done is red bar and then green bar, green bar, green bar, green bar. This is equivalent to red bar, which is immediately cleaned out by a green bar. There is no difference between these two patterns. So basically on a weekly time frame, you have a buy signal. So this, everybody should remember that this is a very strong market without any global cues, without much action globally, holiday season, etc. You got a 150-point rally. So please do not think that this is a weak looking market. Again, ICICI Bank was another BPST. Again, closing almost at the high point of the day. Even while the bank nifty came down, it was mostly because of HDFC Bank and not the other banks. So the other private banks were still strong. This is your Axis Bank again closing very close to the high point of the day. Short message, we are headed up. Period, period, period. So if you did watch, subscribe, like, and share. And since I've been saying this in my videos, subscription really has rocketed. Thank you very much. We are always grateful for any sort of support, maybe monetary or non-monetary, and we always strive to give you our best work. By the way, the 13,600 call we gave on social media, that basically doubled. So great performance on the Nifty calls, and now we have gone home with the same 13,600 call, which is now greatly in the money. Plus, we have suggested 13,800 call for our silver join button guys, and even that moved by the end of the day. So chances are that 26th, when we come back, the market should again find action. The profit booking we saw in the last half an hour was probably because, as usual, stupid logic that you don't want to carry positions over a long weekend. It's Christmas. Chances are nothing bad will happen. And you have to carry if you want to make large money. Okay. Because like today, markets can gap up and keep going in your direction. That should be it. Have a good weekend. Merry Christmas and have a wonderful holiday season. Take care.